Car tire pressure monitoring systems prevent accidents, improve fuel efficiency, extend tire life, and ensure safer, more reliable driving. My today's video is about top 5 best car tire pressure monitoring systems that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at TPMS TM7 Tire Pressure Monitoring System. The TPMS TM7 TPMS is a highly reliable tire monitoring system, offering accurate real-time data with plus or minus 1.5 psi and plus or minus 3 degrees Fahrenheit precision. Its 6 alert modes: high/low pressure, fast leakage, high temperature, low battery, and signal loss ensure complete tire safety, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts and used vehicles. Installation is effortless via the cigarette lighter plug, eliminating wiring hassles, and dual USB ports add convenience for charging devices. The color LCD with adjustable backlight provides clear visibility in all lighting conditions, perfect for daily commuters or long trips. Supporting a wide pressure range, 0 to 87 psi, and robust signal transmission, it fits sedans, SUVs, MPVs, pickups, RVs, and trailers, with optional RP05 repeater for extended towing. Setup takes just 5 minutes, backed by comprehensive manuals, video guides, and responsive customer support. Now our second product is Massel Tire Pressure Monitoring System. The Massel M13 Tire Pressure Monitoring System is a versatile and intelligent solution for vehicles with 4 tires, including sedans, SUVs, pickups, RVs, and travel trailers under 38 feet, with a signal booster recommended for longer trailers. Its auto-set alarm and calibration feature intelligently uses standard tire pressure as a reference, automatically triggering alerts when pressure deviates plus or minus 25% or plus or minus 15%, requiring no manual threshold setup. The solar-powered sensors provide continuous charging with overheat and overcharge protection, while auto wake-up and sleep modes enhance battery life. Offering highly accurate pressure detection, 0 to 87 psi, plus or minus 1.5 psi, it safeguards driving safety, minimizes tire wear, and improves fuel efficiency. The anti-reflective color LCD with auto backlight ensures clear visibility in all lighting conditions. Overall, the Massel M13 TPMS combines reliability, efficiency, and smart features for complete tire monitoring peace of mind. Our third product is CaraRav TPMS Sensor. The CaraRav TPMS sensor is a reliable, high-quality replacement designed to fit most GM vehicles, including Buick, Cadillac, Chevy, and GMC models. Pre-programmed for convenience, it supports OE part numbers such as 135987771, 135987772, 135863335, and many more, ensuring compatibility and accurate tire monitoring. While pre-programmed, the sensor requires a relearning/reset process, either manually via the steering wheel interface or with an OBDII tool, to sync with the vehicle. Built for durability, it withstands temperatures from minus 40 degrees Celsius to plus 125 degrees Celsius, with a battery life exceeding 5 years. Its real-time monitoring provides precise tire pressure readings, enhancing driving safety and tire longevity. Installation is straightforward for DIY enthusiasts, and CaraRav offers support for troubleshooting relearn procedures. Overall, this TPMS sensor combines accuracy, durability, and GM-specific compatibility, making it a dependable choice for maintaining optimal tire health. Now number 4, Lear's Tire Pressure Monitoring System. This advanced TPMS offers 6 alarm modes, including fast/slow leak detection, low/high pressure alerts, high temperature warnings, and sensor battery notifications. Installation is simple, with no programming required. The system automatically sets the current tire pressure as the reference, triggering alerts within plus 25% to minus 15% of that value. Equipped with high-accuracy external sensors, it provides precise readings, plus or minus 3 psi, is waterproof, lightweight, and durable, with CR1632 batteries lasting up to 2 years. The system supports dual charging, with solar panels for continuous power and USB charging as a backup. Its color LCD with auto backlight ensures clear visibility in any lighting, and energy-saving auto off/on mode preserves battery life. Covering a wide pressure range up to 88 psi and transmitting reliably up to 32 feet. This TPMS is ideal for sedans, SUVs, pickups, vans, trailers, and RVs, delivering complete tire safety and peace of mind. And our last choice is MarsFlex TPMS sensor. The MarsFlex TPMS sensors are a reliable, OE-quality replacement design for a wide range of Toyota, Lexus, Scion, and Pontiac vehicles. Compatible models include Toyota 4Runner, Camry, Corolla, Highlander, RAV4, Tacoma, Tundra, Prius, and Lexus ES, RX, LS, GX Series, among others. These sensors replace OE numbers PMV 107J, 42607-06011, 42607-0C020, and others, ensuring perfect fit and function. Each sensor is pre-programmed for easy installation, though a TPMS scan tool is required for relearning. Built with durable batteries lasting up to 8 years, MarsFlex sensors guarantee long-term performance and reliability under normal driving conditions. Extensively tested during manufacturing, they deliver accurate tire pressure monitoring, enhancing safety, tire longevity, and fuel efficiency. Backed by a 1-year warranty and responsive customer service, MarsFlex TPMS sensors offer a dependable, professional-grade solution for maintaining optimal tire health across multiple vehicle models. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.